You never fed a reindeer before, obviously.
See all these bugs on it.
Yeah. Well, that's all right. You can wash your hands afterwards. We'll figure out a way.
I know.
What?
He's probably saying the same thing about your hands.
No. It's like worse than feeding Buddy.
Look, there's flies going into his eyes.
Are you recording?
Uh-huh.
Better be recording. I wanna pet him, but I'm afraid he's gonna think that I'm. Oh, he's fuzzy.
No, sorry.
Here's what you did.
I'm holding the bag.
Oh! Oh, yeah, green snap in my arm.
Let me see. Where's the green snot?
Look. Abby, kiss him on the lips.
Huh?
Kiss him on the lips.
Here, you want this?
Yeah, that's my family. I put up with them too. Sorry about that, dude. I know they're kind of goofy.
Okay. Here. Honestly.
Calm her.
Okay, you be gentle.
Oh, look at the buffalo. The buffalo's thinking, oh, I'm missing out.
Good boy.
Hey guys, I'm just
Let's see, is it a boy?
It's got to be a boy. He's a bull.
Oh yeah, that's a boy. Here she goes, she can't stay away.
No, I'm going to dump it actually in here. Because I can't. Sorry, I can't stand this. I can't stand his lips. Maybe this guy.
She says that about me all the time.
Move out of the way. Oh, nice soft lookies. That's so much better than big oxen.